Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can change the length of your luteal phase on flow. So guys, in order to change that, all you need to do is first of all, just go ahead and open flow. And once you're in this page right here, just go ahead and tap on the button that's on the top left corner that has an avatar. Scroll down till you find the option cycle and ovulation, which is right below graphs and reports. Just tap on it and now you'll see many options like cycle length, period length, chances of getting pregnant, luteal phase, display cycle sequence. So we just need to go ahead and tap on luteal phase. So guys, now just select and change the length of your luteal phase. If your luteal phase lasts for 8 days, then just log 8 days. If it's for 16 days, then tap 16 days. Whatever that happens to you, you just need to log in right here. So guys, that's how you change the length of luteal phase. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.